I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings, Windows key plus I or System Preferences and go straight to Fonts or Appearance. You need to back up current fonts before changing anything, create a restore point, or copy the fonts folder to a safe location. Once done, identify the font you want to replace or add by name and source. Make sure the font file is TTF or OTF. This reduces risk and ensures you can revert if a change breaks layout. You'll now install or replace fonts. Drag and drop the TTF or OTF file into the Fonts panel, or right-click and choose Install for all users if you want system-wide availability. If replacing, first uninstall the existing font through the same Fonts panel so file conflicts don't occur, then install the new file. Make sure applications are closed while you change system fonts so they reread the font list on restart. Once installed, open a text editor to verify the font displays correctly. Finish by applying the font in your apps. Change the default typeface in Word, your browser, or system theme settings, and then restart the apps. If the font looks corrupt or missing, clear the font cache and reinstall the file. On Windows, use the Font Cache tool or delete the local cache file. Make sure to keep your backup so you can restore. If a change prevents sign-in or breaks UI, boot to safe mode or use system, restore to revert immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.